you need real-time push-to-talk across teams or friends like a Walkie Talkie on your phone, Zello is the go-to app for that, offering hands-free voice chats over Wi-Fi or cellular. But how does it work? So basically, it transforms smartphones and desktops into virtual two-way radios, supports one-on-one and group channels up to 6,000 users, message reply, photo, text sharing, and even an enterprise dispatch hub. It offers business-level controls and integrations. You get a reliable real-time voice with minimal latency, channels and replay, lets you catch messages that you missed. It's got cross-platform support, iOS, Android, Windows, and more. It's widely adopted in enterprise, used by frontline teams, hospitality, construction, emergency services. It's internet only, it requires connectivity, no offline fallback like CB radio. Free versus paid features. Free consumer version is robust, but Zello Works costs $8 per month per user. And it lacks deep analytics. Users want more reporting, replay storage, and desktop admin. So it's reliable, low latency PTT app, loved by business and communities alike. With high audio quality, replay, and channels, it's a solid replacement for traditional radios, as long as you have internet access. For enterprises, the paid Zello Work adds management features, though consumers will get by with the free version. Are you using it? Let us know. What else do you want to see from us? Thank you so much for watching.